Good morning, fellow GTI lovers and Volkswagen fans. I'm back. This is my GTI back from the dead. I had an oil leak. It ended up being a bigger problem from the engine block. It was leaking, which means it needed a new seal, but they also went ahead and resurfaced it because they think that it wasn't a good match. It could have been that I put too much oil in, but it could just be that it happened too. But this is my test drive. I got it going. It feels great. I'm gonna go around a secret road that he uses behind the shop here. It's right by the airport. See how I drive like an old lady sometimes? Very smooth. This isn't the place I can really test it. I gotta go out here. It's so good to be back in my GTI, baby. Wow. I realize how much I missed it until you don't have it. This is just an automatic mode. It's not Tiptronic. I'm going to switch to Tiptronic so we can hear it a little better. And we don't want to drive like an old lady. So I'm going to go to Tiptronic. Got the 1 through 6 now. Of course, there's a cop. And I got to go this way. He told me to test it out. Test it out. Yeah, we got to test it. I know. The cop came out and he followed me. I'm just telling him I'm testing it. Okay, here we go. We're going to go down this way. All right, let me just go a little faster. Ready? Oh, shit. To the left. I think we got to turn around, like right here. We'll go back. That goes back to the road. We don't want that. So we're right up to where it's like illegal to go that way. It's like the airport. All right. Feels smooth. Everything feels great. I'm wearing my... I've been playing Red Dead Redemption so long, I'm starting to look like Arthur Morgan now. This is my new hat. My homies agree I really look good in black, fool. I never wear buttons, but I got a cool hat, and my homies agree I really... Here we go, we're gonna go. Don't you like this hat, though? All right, it's called the Black Hawk. But whatever you do, don't do a mic search of the Black Hawk. Just believe me, don't do that. All right. It's the Black Hawk by Stetson. The first guy that invented the hat, man. All right, here we go. Ooh, this is a tight one here. Go down. How do I get back? Oh, did I go that way? No, I went that way. I don't know where that goes. I think I want to take it on the highway. Let's just go up the road a little bit. I told him, I said, what if I don't come back? He says, I know where you live. I said, all right. Here we go. We're going to get on Colonial Drive now. And we got to look for the fuzz. No, not really. I'll be good. I got the spirit of Arthur Morgan with me, man. Let's do it. Let's do it. Can we get up the speed a little? Here we go. Ready? Wait a minute. I'm in... You know what it is? I went back into drive mode, you fool. Here. Feels like pots and pans. Okay, I'm gonna come back again. It's gotten cold in Florida, man. That's why I'm in my winter garb. It went down to 38, I think, last night. We're going to the pilot maintenance. Oh, that looked like a screw on the road. Damn it. Hope I didn't go over it. Here we go. Now we're doing the course. Here we go. One more time around the horn. Here we go. Like the second. Oh shit! Okay, that's pretty good. I'm happy. It's back, baby. My GTI is back. It's roadworthy once again. And I will show you, oh, by going up here. And I'll probably show you a list of things that I did on it later. But all the internals are from the race car, so that's why it's so strong. It's titanium parts, you know, the push rods, the lifters, all that. That all stays the same. But I got a new resurfaced cylinder head. I got a new oil cooler, new seals and all that all around. I got, he said the turbo was still good. All right. I'm back, baby. Again. I'm just so glad to have my GTI back. I'm just gonna keep it, man. Why not? There's very few things in life that make you happy, right? Your car is one of them, so for me. Have a great day.